What used to take a week now takes a minute. Penligent doesn't wait for a CVE number. It discovers weak spots, crafts the right test code, and validates results from a single natural language prompt. Point Penligent at a target, give it a concise instruction, and it writes a Python test script tailored to the finding, runs a safe, non-destructive proof of concept, and captures real evidence. Then it turns that evidence into a fully editable, professional report. Verified findings, reproduction steps, risk ratings, and practical remediation advice you can customize and export. This is AI-assisted security done responsibly. Automated orchestration, clear audit trails, and human-in-the-loop controls so teams stay in charge. Security engineers, bug bounty hunters, and DevOps leads can move from hours or days of manual work to 1 minute of validated outcomes. Speed without sacrificing assurance. Precision without the noise. Try Penligent and see how a single prompt transforms discovery, verification, and reporting into one streamlined flow. Welcome to Try Penligent AI. Start your pen testing journey.